Douglas Dallas. Yeah, man. This is the Silverville District community. Yeah, man. Right now we are at the Dunn Falls. The reason why it named the Dunn Falls is because there's no scale fish go above it. Like mullet and so, yeah, they stop there. The rock is too high to go over, so they call it the Dunn Falls. Otherwise, it's of many other name, kite name the Dry River, because the river is coming from way in the mountain at a place they call Dry River, so we also call it the Dry River.
So it's also called the Dry River Falls?
Yeah.
Oh.
As a community, not Dry River Fall, you know, it's coming from Dry River, so we call it the Dry River.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, what is beyond the falls?
There are many more falls beyond the falls. Normally, this is like the public area. But if you want like a little privacy, we have a next falls up top where normally we always introduce guests to. It's it's not as big as this one, but it's, you know, more friendly with person, because if you cannot swim most of you can still walk in that one. Above that one now we got a little bubble bath there.
Oh really?
But it's kind of very difficult to reach that one for you guys. I would have to show you how to get there, or somebody else from the community to show you how to get there.
Oh, so if someone comes here and want to go
at the bubble bath, yeah, they can go, but we have to take them up. There's a rock there, you got to, you know, hold and climb onto the rock to reach up there. But as soon as they get there, it's very beautiful.
Oh, nice. So how long have this been open to the public?
Well, from I've been born, I'm here 49 years now.
What? You're 49?
Yeah. And from I was born this year, my mother, you know, it's always been here.
Okay. So the last time I came here, like, we got coffee, and so how's that? Like, if someone comes here and want to get like coffee and stuff?
Yeah, well, normally we always have guys who are around who sell coffees and so. Might be because they don't see the vehicle now, why they don't come, but they have some rasta out there who always prepare coffee. Yeah, man, that, you know, guests come around, they can have coffee if they want to.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's nice.
I always sell right here too, but most time I'm here selling, it's like when the Blue Mountain boat tour come here, I sell like red stripe beer, sorrel beer, lemon beer, you know, what they request, I sell them it.
Nice. You heard that, guys? Yeah, so you know who to look for.
Yeah, yeah, the safety precaution about it, normally we always encourage person. You know, when you go down, dive and go down and come up under the fall, you got to be careful how you come up, because the rock kind of hang over. So if you go and go under the fall and coming up, you might hit your head on the rock. So we don't allow person to do that.
Oh.
So
and
that's it.
Okay.
And
so
normally, and you know, we always instruct them if they want to jump from the top into the pool too. We always encourage them, show them where to stay, where to jump.
Okay.
Enter, it's about 4 feet, but going out, we're getting deeper and deeper.
Okay.
Like you walk from about here to about 3 feet, they cover you.
Okay.
So it's, you got to can swim to go there.
You heard that? Yeah. You got to can swim. Thank you. Yeah. Sky is living the life. Thank you. Hey, girl.
And here we go. Give me a round of applause.
So we're on our way back from Dunn Falls, and we just saw this beautiful waterfalls, which I think is Cascade, which is on my list of places to visit. So I'm just gonna give you guys a glimpse, and you just have to subscribe for when I get there to show you guys. Like, look at that. I think it's one of the tallest waterfalls in Jamaica.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Let me see if I can come on this side. Say there's a little stream down there, but if you guys can see all the way in the distance, there's a tall waterfalls, which is Cascade Falls, since we are right in Cascade. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. A lot of person says that you can hike from Hollywell, but honestly I think I would hike from right here. I'll just end this vlog with this wonderful view. Like, look at Mother Nature. How beautiful is this? This is amazing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.